What this is the fuel rail shield kit. It's a wrap, basically simple deal. It's a wrap that goes over the fuel rail to keep heat from getting to the fuel, because like your intake, like your air, like everything, the cooler everything is, the better it runs, the more efficient it is, the more horsepower it makes. So anything you can do to keep the heat from soaking all those components and all those things definitely helps. So this will get wrapped around the fuel rails. It'll keep heat from soaking fuel and killing horsepower.
And big thing on this truck is with the exhaust running down the center of the truck, it does get really close to the fuel rails. And a big issue that could potentially be is vapor locking. So with these, this product, it'll really help with the vapor locking and stuff like that, because you're protecting the fuel rails, keeping the fuel cold and all that.
We'll do on this, the way this engine's set up, we have an Everweller coil pack relocator bracket. So the plug wires get kind of close to the fuel rails. So what we gotta do is remove these, get these out of the way just for installation. Most LS's, the coil packs are located on top of the valve covers, so you don't really have this problem, and the fuel rails are a little easier to get to versus this car. And you gotta be careful when you pull your plug wires out that you don't screw nothing up. There we go. So, pretty simple deal. It's the little things, you know, it doesn't have to be super high tech, but just like a little something like this will go a really long way when it comes to protecting things from heat and all that.
Some scissors.
Yeah, I think that this way. So we'll kind of get an idea of where this needs to be, how much you gotta trim this a little bit, because these are, they're aftermarket fuel rails, so the lengths are a little different.
Yeah, so on some applications it might be easier to remove fuel rails and wrap the fuel rails and then reinstall them. Just because, like, trying to fish the tape underneath the fuel rails with the tight tolerances and everything that these things have, like, kind of difficult.
Yeah, but we're real stubborn.
We're gonna make this happen. That's what we're gonna do.
So we got the Heatshield Products fuel rail kit installed here on the engine. This is a great product to protect the fuel rails from radiant heat. It'll keep fuel temperatures down. It'll help prevent pre-ignition. It'll help prevent vapor locking. It just keeps everything nice and cool and operating at optimal temperatures to make peak horsepower, so we can keep winning off-road races.